Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, it's free. Please, go ahead.
Thank you. It's quite busy today, isn't it? My name is Jan, by the way.
It certainly is. It's a pleasure to meet you, Jan. I'm Jerry.
A pleasure to meet you too, Jerry. Is this your first time at this event?
Yes, it is. A friend told me about it. I'm still new to the city, so I'm trying to explore a bit. What about you?
I come every year. It's a great way to see what's happening in the community. Since you're new, where are you from originally?
I'm from Manchester, in the UK. I just moved here about 2 months ago for work.
Manchester. I've heard it's a fantastic city, especially for music. What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. And you, Jan, are you from around here?
Yes, I've lived here my whole life. I work as a project manager for a tech company downtown.
That's interesting. It must be nice to know the city so well. Do you have any recommendations for a newcomer?
Absolutely. The waterfront district is beautiful for a weekend walk, and there's a little Italian restaurant on Pine Street that has the best pasta.
That sounds wonderful. Thanks for the tip. Well, it was really nice talking to you, Jan.
You too, Jerry. I hope you enjoy the rest of the fair and your time in the city.
Thank you. I hope to see you around.
Likewise. Take care.